Hey guys, Gary Garcia again, here to talk about Vistara IT. We're just going to talk about the user interface really quickly. And when we log in as a super admin, we're going to jump right into the user interface. And you'll notice that we can always navigate through tabs across the top that each have a drop-down list. And in many cases, you can also manage by category in a browser list on the left-hand side. Most devices, when we look at them, and we're doing monitoring and management, not the ITSM service desk piece, but when we're looking at devices, we'll start with the dashboard. So as we go to the very top level of the infrastructure, maybe we go into Tri-Valley IT. Every time we drill down into the infrastructure, you can see that we get into a more and more detailed dashboard. And that goes for infrastructure. So again, we can browse infrastructure by our pick list here on the left hand side. You can see what kind of storage devices we have. You can see what kind of servers we have. Or you can go into the detailed list. So this is just a browser here of the infrastructure, and you can see a lot of data is consolidated on this infrastructure. You can see whether applications are running in external private cloud and virtual machines or physical machines, right? All at a glance. Really, really easy. When we go into maintenance and service desk, we have pick lists. We don't have the browser list on the left-hand side for category. Instead, we simply have the list of maintenance tasks that are actually being scheduled for execution. Maintenance tasks are those tasks that are either scheduled jobs or scripts that can be executed on the fly, or a number of things that can be done sort of dynamically. So things that a level 1 staffer would be doing, a level 1 help desk staffer might be doing. So maybe a patch scan, investigation about a configuration, or maybe for governance, we want to do some patch approvals or patch excludes, whitelisting and blacklisting of infrastructure. When we get into the service desk, the left-hand browser panel appears again, and it allows us to do filtering, because if you have a very busy service desk, you'll have a lot of different kinds of tasks. Maybe you just want to see what kind of tickets are on hold or which kind are on open, or by priority. Okay, so very easy to go through all of the service requests there. When it comes to reporting, we have a number of batched reports. If you have a number of departments in your business, or if you're a value-added reseller, you have the ability to do reporting by just one customer, or you can look at your entire business and do canned reporting for everybody, so you can see all of the different kinds of reports that we have. Most of the reports are exportable as Excel files, Word files, PDFs. Many of them can be emailed. The monthly reports can be emailed directly from the interface. And similarly, some have the ability to be produced as PowerPoint slides. In all cases, all of the reports are fully brandable. So you can see this is a Vistara branded portal because this is the Vistara platform. All of this can be done branded. Here's a customer Brocade. And when they run their reports will come out branded with the Brocade report identity. All right. So if I were to go back over here to the IT Operations Cloud, finally we'll come to the alerts list. The alerts list is if we're monitoring infrastructure, these are the alerts for different things that are being monitored in infrastructure. So we can set up devices to have different priorities. We can set it up by department or by customer, by the technology. How are we actually managing it? Are we managing it through someone else's technology like LPI, or are we managing it with our agents? Are we managing it with our services gateway? In addition, you can see which location, you can see all types, whether the alert type is maybe a maintenance that's gone overtime, scheduled for a certain change control window, or maybe it's an appliance that would have third-party support. Is it scheduled maintenance? Is it a runbook automation? Anyway, so you can kind of see, and you can run your reports and hide and do filtering by date, by time, by a number of different things, so that you can manage very large lists of tasks. And of course, as usual, you can click right down and get right into the infrastructure in context and see the status of all of your infrastructure. Link tickets here. Okay, guys, that's about 5 minutes of my promised 3 minutes. Just a little tour of the infrastructure interface, the management interface for Vistara.